tere kõik see pere! Täna me lähme meeskonnaga suve pealinna Pärnusse. Aga enne seda, kui me saame startida, tuleb siis meil auto tühjaks teha, õiged asjad sisse visata ja siis tee peal saame teile juba päevaplaani tutvustada. Seega püsige meiega ja tegutseme! Nii et mis me seal Pärnus teeme? Pärnus avatakse Raba 5 sisepark, kus täna on ametlik avamisüritus ja meil on au siis teha seal demo ja meil ongi selleks kaasas tore meeskond.
Karel Kalsaun.
Ma olen Toomas.
Ja tulevad ka meil veel Roomet Säälik, Raner Sepp, Martti Lainevool, Eerik Metso ja kõik sinna haiget demo tegema. Praegu lähme Pärnu poole, teeme rattad soojaks, rehvid soojaks, tõuksi kummid soojaks ja läheb.
Get us something real smooth for ice and quick one. Back to chaos and the 9-3 with the owls and the whizzy, yes. Real smooth, real ice, true. I was in the booth with Dyke, you was in the night. I was selling out a show, you was in the onesie. Ketamine, you sniffing, got you clumsy. Swear them bread, hate the way I move. Real smooth, real icy. You was watching Hollyoaks and I was in the library. Now I'm getting Gualalos, the man that one despise me. Swear I'm booking wizards, getting pricey. So pricey, so pricey. Yeah, I hear them talking, Love the way they wanna wheel up walking. Love the way they see the way I kill it. See the way I bring the talking. See the outline of the body when I draw it. Everyone adore it. Boys, fuck off with your one-liners. Everybody co-signers. I don't do no consigning. I got all this men to pay, so I don't need no odd fivers. I'm the boss, brother. You are not Simon. You're not vibrant. You're not funny. Got no money. Rip trackies. You're so bummy. I'm so aggy. She's so touchy. She's so grabby. I'm so lucky. She's so sucky. That yatty. She's so ucky. With no manners. She's so ragged. I got bills like Bo Baggins. She's just catting. Like fuck, where's the old fashioned? Tight madams, they ain't shagging. First date, cause they like rapping. Still I'm real smooth, real icy. Feeling like I'm Cali on the high feet. Never been the type to say I wouldn't if I might be. Cause you know it's Wizzy, that's the chaos and the 9-3. The 9-3. Real smooth, real icy. I was in the booth with Dyke, you was in the night. I was selling out a show, you was in the one side. The ketamine, you sniffing, got you clumsy. Swear them red, hate the way I move. Real smooth, real icy. You was watching Hollyoaks and I was in the live peak. Now I'm getting Gualalos, the man they want the spice. Swear I'm booking wizards, getting priced. So priced.
Burning California wax, still ignoring when he raps. My lyrics like the echoes through time, forever calling back. Fed up with the crap, work or do this in time. Circle saying I'm done, must be them choking my outline. Stroke my only oyster, you're still trying to find the moisture. My last album sounds like a whole career spoiler. Man pointers like a piston coated, no lawyers in the stitch up. The details in the lines like embroiders. It's diabolic, trying to be higher like hydraulics. Even with a ghost writing team, you ain't behind. Run it, sign off it, ignite topics to find logic. Drop a needle from so high you would think a giant's got it. Performing through your land with piff from a caravan. Every word I say spells fuck you as an anagram. Never planned, you stoned the speakers shake hands. In 2020 the new president of Amsterdam so toss.
I'll swoop in and high five you for the icebreaker. It's Big Al, mad high like a skyscraper. My mottos live now and die later. Brandon 99 son, fuck a hiatus. But I hit the bong today, never on the long delay. Shouting at these motherfuckers on delay. Why you gotta make a way still with the hand of Satan? He crash shake man, son I'm gonna amputate his. Dropping bangers that are amping up the fan bases. Have veganas cause they're scandalously outrageous. Paparazzi got us snappers when we smash stages. Do this for the love but always get cash payments. It's that stagnating, no balls castrated. Premeditated greatness, no fresh statement. Phone getting tapped daily like ash when blazing. So high right now, it's like I'm astral training.
I'm in the club, I don't like it much, but I tear the crowd down once you line them up. Winding up your mind like a toy soldier, pouncing on the beat like a poise cobra. We get to grips like it's judo, but show respect where it's judo. Since I was a kid trying to build without the Duplo, still I craft jewels though. Drop them on the head like a tombstone. 2 O's, one for owls, one for ocean. New flow, some profound, some ferocious. Overdid it with the lotion, I'm too smooth. New trends, probably got them fools wearing tutus. You should do you, and not what they say. I laugh while you try and talk shit with a straight face, mug. Maintain fucking with a gateway drug. In another world, feeling that space age buzz.
Mad laid back, stars played at the great
mates, act reactive with the goon, now I spray raps. Hungry dog or a stray cat, strange chat, see me doing art on the side just like a train track. So shouts to Wizzy, the beaver getting digi on the reggae, spotting lettuce with Luigi from the city, puff puff but never did he. I might pass out but never passed it, that's silly. Yo, no doping scandal, what drugs with doping off the handle. So much moist shit, spit flames where the river ran through. 4 hours and the wisdom, you know it ran true. Take control of your life, don't need the beats and bangles. That's why we're strictly rhyming on this shit. Fuck statistics, cult following, no wit shit. No bitches, what is this? Cause evidence existed, we never do you wrong, so no snitches.
Still I'm real smooth, real icy. Feeling like I'm Cali on the high. Never been the type to say I wouldn't if I might be. Cause you know it's Wizzy.
Nagu te näete, rahvas on juba hakanud kogunema siia. Täna on see ainult kutsetega inimesed siin, kaasa arvatud meie, kes teeme siis demo. Saime ilusti soojaks, anname mõned intervjuud ja siis juba lõikame lindi läbi ja siis ongi ametlik osa ühel pool. Nii et vaatame, mis see õhtupoolik meil ette toob.
1, 2, yeah. Step inside the building and I'm walking like a killer. Looking for the others, feeling that no one is iller. Wrapping up the bodies, then I lock them in the chiller. Falling like Fraser when he lost it in Manila. People always wanting us to go and kill the fakers off, and I got the right ingredients to go and make a bomb. Show you in the thoughts when the blast tear your faces off. You will see me standing in the ash when the flames are gone. On the top floor, rifle in my grasp. Plus there's another 3 snipers in the grass. Pop your head top while you're driving in your car, that's a massacre. Now your brain is your passenger. Aiming at your daytime playlist, the murking them. Flipping on the daily, but I don't work at Burger King. Up from the underground stealth when we're servicing. Leave a new bloody pattern all on your furnishings.
So sharp I cut silk in the river, leave your head gone before you see your shadowy figure. As I paint a picture deep in ancient China, throw smoke bombs so thick you can't find her. Ninja in the background, bodies getting hacked down, heads falling off when we finally let the axe down. Keep the ear to the ground, listening for the crickets. Learn the art of war in my sleep with the spirits. Living stranger standards that remain are in danger. Treat the beat as my retainer. I do the shogun a favor and save you. Even 100 man deep watching wave. See me chilling while the harp will play, ready to fight you to the death like the Kumite. Watch the skies turn grey when my ninjas creep. I pull your heart out your chest just to feel your pain.
Slay with tongue, not the type to wave a gun. Hit your pressure points, walk away, calm, don't run. Always moving with my face to the sun. Turn ronin around the time the faking begun. Take the hits, write their names down. Do this for the story that they'll tell once I came round. Always high, but I never settle on the same ground. Waiting for the rain clouds, wash away the footprints. Travel through the range towns, train for combat. But really you on that? I see this ending like a scene out of On Back. There's no masters and no needing for contracts, cause people disappear overnight and don't come back. Write the scriptures, what they depict is another lost foe that learned harder with the victors. You get it, blood it's addictive. On some sick shit, won't stop till there's no one on the hit list.
I'm killing slappers, kids, animals and rappers. Casual as a bag of balls slapping off your sack.
Ja nüüd oleme siin Rasmus Paimerega, kes on Raba 5 sisepargi üks eestvedaja. Ja räägi lühidalt, kuidas siis tänane ametlik avamine läks?
Tänane avamine läks päris hästi, et kohal on linnapea, kes lõikas linti, Roomet, kes viskas fleeri üle ta pea kõrguse ja kõik sujus vägevalt.
Okei, aga räägi ka siis meie vaatajatele, et kuidas saada infot, kuidas siia sõitma tulla või kuidas teil see asi käib?
Praegusel hetkel kogu info on Raba 5 Facebooki lehe peal, kus toimuvad eelregistreerimised, aga kõik, kuidas edasi läheb, seda leiab Facebooki lehelt.
Jep, nii et jätame lingi video alla ja siinkohal Rasmusele üks suur viis, super projekt, super park ja selline oli siis meie päev siin tuttues Raba 5 sisekas. Aitäh Rasmusele, et meid kutsusid, meil oli ülitore, suur shoutout ka meie meeskonnal, kes pai täiega hullu ja seal nad ongi, enamus on juba invaliidid. Raba 5, ülihea park! Kõigile meeldis ja siinkohal panemegi video purki ära. Aitäh teile, et vaatasite. Visake meile like, share, subscribe ja kohtume järgmises videos.